Morning, guys. So we did find out that it is the front left CV joint, CV shaft. So that's what we're going to bang out today. When I was testing it, I didn't put it in four-wheel drive. I don't know what the hell I was thinking and stuff, so I just left it the way it was. And so there's some noise coming out the back, but definitely found out that the knuckles are binding up here on it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to rip it apart real quick and swap it out and go from there. Hopefully we knock this out. But yeah, guys, thanks for working. Yeah, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, but you know I can't sleep, so we gotta make some stuff happen. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Speed up now. So yeah, that took a whole long time. So I've been at it since 6:30. It's about 8:20, and yeah, that son of a biscuit was stuck. But you know, this is your UAT, so it's a pain in the butt. Recommendation: anti-seize on it, and put it back in it nice and greasy. So hopefully, if you ever have this problem again, you could do it and stuff. But I mean, it comes out a lot easier. So I was a whole bunch of stuff. I was using some pry bars. I didn't have a CV hammer, slide hammer. That probably would have worked really well. But just PB Blaster and worked it a little bit. And I was reading on the internet a little bit. They're like, just when you think it's not going to come, she comes. And, you know, So I managed to do that and stuff. So now we'll put it back together and go from there. But thanks, guys, and I'm going to speed it up again.